Numac is a leading turnkey provider of drilling, site divestment and remediation services to Australian environmental and geotechnical consulting firms. A passion for doing it right every time underpins all that we do. Numac is at the forefront of innovation. Our long list of leading-edge services include in-situ chemical oxidation, or ISCO, as well as membrane interface probe, or MIP, that accurately maps the position and concentration of VOCs and other contaminants. Numac always works closely with clients to provide clever and efficient solutions for a diverse range of requirements. Safety is paramount. Numac's uncompromising approach to operating systems and OHS standards is one reason why we are a leading provider of services to a wide range of industries that require strict risk management procedures. We're also strongly focused on the environmental and social sustainability of our business. Our introduction to Australia of biodegradable plastic sample liners is a strong example of this. It allows for the potential of some 15,000 plastic items a year to biodegrade when disposed of in a landfill after use. In ways large and small, Numac strives to be a leading green example to our industry. But what really sets Numac apart is our commitment to service. Whatever it takes to get the job done right, we do as a friendly, invaluable member of your team. The machines, the experience, the people and the passion. That's what takes our specialist services to the next level. That's Numac.